I just thought I'd share a quick tip with you for when you're working on larger projects. Actually, it doesn't need to be a large piece. This is mainly for when your pattern has small stitch counts. What I'm making at the moment is quite large, and my current row has small stitch counts as well, so we've got a double whammy. Those of you who know me know I have the patience of a gnat, which means this technique is a lifesaver for me. So I'm making rings of 8. My chain is a count of 8, picot 8. So I've barely finished one element before having to reverse work and being able to make the next. When you have small counts, you are constantly reversing work. So this isn't so bad, but it can be cumbersome when you have a large piece. You have to wind the slack out of your shuttle to make your chain and open it up again to make your next ring. You're constantly back and forth. But there is another way we can make our chains. After finishing the ring, don't reverse your work. Instead, use shuttle 1 to set your hand up for a chain. So take the shuttle you just used to make your ring, wrap it around your hand for a chain. We're going to use shuttle 2 to make our stitches. So because we're working from the front side, we need to keep our thread taut. We don't want our stitch to flip. If it does flip, our stitch will be upside down. So we want to make unflipped stitches. Because our stitch is not flipped, we need to work using rods, reverse order of double stitches. If we make unflipped stitches without working them in the reverse order, they will be back to front. So where we would normally make the first half and then the second half, we're going to do the second half and then the first half. Keeping this thread taut, make the second half and pull that thread down. Now make the first half. Second half. First half. Notice that I'm pulling the thread down towards my body. I'm not pulling it out to the side or up this way. Pulling it down towards me. This helps your tension and helps the stitches to form properly. One more. When you're done, snug your stitches and you're ready to start your next ring without having to reverse your work.